everybody. I'm here on the set of The Altos. You know, that TV show about the family life of a gangster. They've agreed to let me teach you a little something about television. Here is what's known as the bleep. Whenever you hear, it means there's something that you're not supposed to hear. Here is the person who is making the. Watch and listen how it's used.
Ugh! This is terrible, Apple Betty! It's... My mother. Now there was a woman who could make an amazing Apple Betty. When she made it, the whole neighborhood stood outside her house. Saying that woman was. If it's okay with you, I'd like to give that chef a taste of his own.
Hey, none of you so much as unless I say so, capiche?
Cut! And there you have it.